Hey guys, it's Brooke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be me making cookies. I am making chocolate chip cookies just because I was looking for something fun to do, and yeah, it's going to be all explained in the video. So I'll see you at the end. What's up guys, it's Brooke and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna fix that in a second. Today I'm gonna make some cookies. I'm gonna make chocolate chip cookies because that's just how I'm feeling. Sorry for that loud dog in the background. I'm making her food right now, but I'm not gonna show you because it's kind of gross. But yeah, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Here I am in my kitchen. I'm gonna turn on some lights. That makes me look good. I look good, except for my hair. We're gonna fix that. Hazen High School Marching Band. If you go to my school and you want a t-shirt, let me know and you can totally buy one. You can support Hazen Marching Band. The more money that we get, the better. The back of my shirt says paint, and there's a story that I can tell when I'm cooking. Okay, so paint. I never actually got to explain this, so this is what this is right now. When I first got my clarinet, I thought that it was plastic with just like a really nice paint job. So when we got into marching season, you're supposed to have a plastic instrument. So I was like, oh yeah, mine's totally plastic. And they were like, no, I don't think so. I think it's wood. And it turns out it was wood. And I was just like, oh, I just thought it was like a really nice paint job. And so that's kind of been the joke of my clarinet section. And that's why it says paint. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, well, okay, we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies today. We make really good chocolate chip cookies. Actually, I'm gonna start the oven. 375. So oven set to 375. And we're gonna start from here. So the best thing to do is to set out butter, but I didn't do that because I didn't know I was gonna be doing this today. So I'm just gonna put it in the microwave, which it works just as fine, but it's not as good. Yeah. All right, now give me a couple seconds and I'm gonna get all the ingredients ready and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so here we are in my kitchen. Don't mind, it's kind of dirty. Don't mind my amazing Minnie Mouse pajama bottoms because when I got home from school today, I didn't want to be wearing pants anymore. So I put on these pants instead. So we're gonna start off by putting some butter in the microwave. Oh, you can't see me. In the microwave. So it calls for 2 sticks of butter. So 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Very good. Yeah, so just put them in the microwave and you're good to go. My bowl. Oops. My butter. Okay guys, so while it's in the microwave, I'm going to start by putting the sugar into the, the mixer. Oh please, we are charging phone. Ooh. There we go. Wait, is it charging? So we are adding the butter into, hello. Okay, so we put both of the sticks of butter into the mixer and now we're gonna mix them up and they're gonna be all fluffy. Okay, so the butter is all mixed up and so now we're gonna add in oh jeez. Okay, so 2 sticks of butter have been fluffed and added, and now we're gonna add 3/4 cup of each brown and white sugar. Okay, Okay, so I've added 3/4 of a cup of each of these, and now we're going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, so the sugars and the butter are all mixed together, so they're all looking good. Now we're going to be doing flour. So it says to add 3 cups of flour, and I obviously don't have enough in here, so I'm going to be adding more. And you're going to be doing this into a separate bowl. Yeah. Make sure to spoon your flour. I don't know if you've known this, but it's the best way to get an accurate measurement. I mean, the most accurate way would be to weigh it, but that just takes too much time. So spoon it in and then cross it off with a knife. So don't ever scoop flour because it packs it in and it's too much. Okay. This is weird for me because I don't normally film with not seeing myself, so I'm sorry if this is weird. And I'm sorry if I'm talking quiet. I'm trying to talk louder so you guys can hear me better without me having to turn my volume up to 500% because I talk quietly. I'm just getting better. This video better turn out like I did one yesterday, and it was just like a chill makeup look, so it wouldn't be, just so I can have something on my channel. But it turned out horrible, and it took forever to upload, and it never actually did upload, so it's not on there. And I watched it over and over again, and I was like, is this really good that I want to have on my channel? So here we are. Okay, 3 cups of flour are in. And all over my hands, but that's okay. So now we do a teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, what? I don't even need baking powder. I'm not making biscuits. Wrong ingredients list. Teaspoon of baking soda goes in, and then another teaspoon of salt. Okay. So now the dry ingredients are done, we're going to mix them all together using a whisk, because that's what you use when you mix things. Okay, so now we have to add in the rest of the ingredients to this butter mixture thing, butter egg mixture. This is all really pretty for you guys. We'll blend all these dishes. We haven't done the dishes yet. Teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla extract. It's the greatest. It smells amazing, but it tastes horrible. If you taste it on its own, it smells really bad. Okay, teaspoon of that. And 2 eggs. You're supposed to do 1 at a time, but that just takes too long. You guys crack your eggs into a separate bowl first, because I really feel like I should. But that also takes too much time, and it's like you waste another bowl. Okay, mixing those. Okay, wet ingredients are done, dry ingredients are done, and now last thing we do, second to last, add them together. Okay, there you go. There's your cookie dough. It's beautiful, it's thick. It needs to be stirred a little bit more, but you can do that and then mix them these. So here you go. Cookie dough. It's beautiful, tastes delicious. You guys eat cookie dough raw because I do. all the time. Not all the time, just whenever I make cookies, make cookie dough. Okay, and now you add a cup of chocolate chips. We got this little spoon from this place where we got some pho. So they with takeout, they give you a little plastic spoon. And so instead of using it, we just kept it, and now we use it as a chocolate chip scooper. There you go. Now mix these two together, just as before. And after. So now this is all done, I'm going to get a cookie sheet and my cookie scooper. And we're gonna make 12 balls and cook them. You know what I noticed? I don't really look at the camera very much. Maybe it's because I can't see what I'm doing besides what's in front of me, so I have to look at what's in front of me. But I'm just quite not used to this yet. But so far, YouTube's pretty fun, you know? You know how I like my thing is that I'm bored, which is still true, but I'm also like bored with these videos. I gotta figure out my brand. What am I gonna be doing? Am I gonna be just full of surprises every day? Am I gonna be a vlogger? Am I gonna be a makeup diva person? I don't know. My cookies, and now they're going to go into the oven for 9 minutes. See you in 9 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and the food is so good, and it's like all gone. I made this is a few days after I actually made the cookies, so there's actually not any left because they were that good. But yeah, I will link the whole recipe in the bio. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I think this is gonna be on my public channel as a little intro video into me, so you can hear me talking and all that. And I'm gonna figure out other videos to do. I'll have some of my friends on my channel. Yeah, I might do a vlog tomorrow because I'm going shopping with my sister. So yeah, that might happen, that might not, I don't know. I'll just let you know. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, because okay, my Instagram has like more followers than my subscribers. So if you follow me on Instagram, please subscribe. And yeah,